Good to go.
All right, guys. Did everyone have a chance to look at the blog, I hope? Eric's theme today was basically stocks history. And basically how they can repeat themselves. You can take some Yankee lore and say deja vu all over again. He used STC yesterday, down 30%, $7. I mean, although it wasn't the easiest trade in the world, it still went down another 2. I'm looking at CBS right now. Obviously, announcement, the CEO is probably speaking, conference call. Things down, it was down 5, and well, now it's down 650. I don't know where the bottom is in it. And does anyone? Can anyone tell me where the bottom is in CVS?
Somewhere above 0.
I would like to know. Asia weaker overnight. You know, we regained some in Europe. The ECB interest rate announcement unchanged, basically what ours was yesterday. Futures higher on Cisco's strong data. Still waiting on tomorrow's unemployment report, which could be interesting. Eric, you want to say anything about your blog?
Yeah, well, basically, heading on to what Tim said, don't let the net change of something affect your judgment as to whether you want to buy a stock or not, or short a stock. What you're looking for is the future, not the past. That's the basic theme of this. So just because, for instance, this morning using CBS, like Tim was saying, just because it was down 6, it doesn't mean it can't be down 8. So don't look at that delta to scare you away.
Okay. Rob Smith.
Yes, sir.
Any words of encouragement from you? What do you got?
Yeah, well, there's a lot bouncing around here. Since I've been in, the dollar has come back pretty a lot here.
Okay.
Oil's questionable, around unchanged. You know, I was really kind of expecting a little backwards build from the sell-off, and somewhere, you know, within yesterday's range. However, there's a lot of shooting stars in a bearish pattern and across the board after yesterday's action. There's a lot of tech names. Obviously, some retail names that we're seeing here. It's oil, so I'm going to be watching oil pretty closely here. Also with retail sales, there's a lot of things bouncing around. Aeropostale is down $2. Cold stores is down $2. So there's a lot of retail movement. So if anybody has those on their radar, there might be some opportunity to do something around there on the opening.
Aren't we waiting for things like, did Target come out yet?
Atari?
A Target. Are we waiting for them today, Eric?
Yeah, I think Target did.
Yeah, they came out.
Okay, so you know,
Okay.
some bigger retailers are coming out. So, like what he's saying, it's something to definitely keep an eye on. Atari?
Yeah,
No, it's not 1980 anymore, by the way, with Atari. But
yeah, because you know, as far as the method's concerned, now that we have some action in this stuff, you know, they're down 2, like Eric said. There's no reason they can't go down 4, and there's no reason that they can't come back unchanged in the first 5 minutes.
and guys, also
I'm also watching Rim here's up a couple bucks. Well, it's coming in a little bit, but I expect it to be real choppy here opening, and then we might rot a little bit. So, you know, I'd be careful going forward with a big number coming out tomorrow.
okay. Now, guys, getting back to this, the theme of when a stock is down or up, it can go higher or it can go lower. Don't be afraid, like Eric was saying. That's not if something just pops up or just gets knocked down. You need that stagnation, but with that stagnation, you're also looking for that trigger that's going to either offset stops or someone's going to finally cry uncle and get out of it, and that's the trade. Any other comment on that, Eric?
No.
Okay.
No.
Frank,
Yeah,
what do you got?
natural gas, 10:30. Nothing else, guys.
Okay. Yankee victory last night.
Great.
Now we can look towards our mediocre New York football teams. Must win for the New York Football Giants this week into a bye week. That's it. Universe is back to normal. The Yankees are champions.
Yep.
I don't know what to say. Sayonara Kid wins the MVP.
Wait till next year.
For who? Cubs?
Yeah.
All right. That's it. Anyone else?
And the year after, and the year after, and the year after.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to add a couple things here.
Eric has a few things there, guys.
Understanding everything right now is that the NASDAQ is up very, very strongly this morning. Cisco and Qualcomm both had pretty good numbers last night. Cisco's up almost $1. Qualcomm's up about $1.50. The Qs are indicating about a 20-point NASDAQ gain. So there's going to be a lot of tech stocks that are very, very quietly going to be up this morning. Amdocs is another one. It's up 3 points right now. Rob mentioned Research in Motion. They had a gigantic buyback. It's up $1.50.
Okay.
So there's going to be a tremendous amount of action out there this morning. Casinos as well, and GM made good earnings. It's up 55 cents or so, just a dime off its high. So keep your eyes posted to the watch list, read the blog for which ones had good earnings, which ones had bad earnings, and just be ready for this morning.
So you're
Guys,
looking-
don't fight the tape.
Eric, you looking for tech to lead the way here?
Yeah, I do.
All right, guys. Good luck. Any questions?
Type 'em in.
Fire 'em in. Did Scott figure out how to get on audio? I just saw that. Someone asked on there. Scott, can you hear us? You on audio?
Someone can just type to him that X how to do it on
Yeah,
the
he
blog.
just said got it.
Good luck, guys.